Hey there! Here are your top news stories from eWeek, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include word of Internet of Things operating systems from Huawei and Google, a major data breach at the IRS, Apple adding transit directions in its iOS 9 mapping app, and the future of Internet traffic. At the Huawei Network Congress 2015, Huawei officials unveiled Lite OS, a lightweight operating system that was introduced as part of the company's larger Agile Internet of Things solution, which also includes an IoT gateway and controller. Google officials reportedly will talk about the search giant's upcoming IoT OS, dubbed Brillo, during the Google I/O 2015 conference in San Francisco. According to reports in The Information and Fortune, Brillo will consume as little as 32 or 64 megabytes of memory, which will enable it to run in smaller, low-power devices that will make up much of the IoT. The latest data breach victim is the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, which disclosed May 26th that information on 100,000 American taxpayers is at risk. The IRS reported that the breach came by way of its Get Transcript application, which is currently unavailable. The Get Transcript service enables taxpayers to obtain a statement of their tax account transactions, including line-by-line tax return information, as well as income reported to the IRS for a given tax year. Apple is finally going to include transit directions and maps in its upcoming version of iOS 9, but only as few as 6 cities may be featured in the first offering, according to reports. The new iOS 9 operating system is slated for release in June, but when it comes out, the only transit directions that will be included are for New York, San Francisco, Toronto, London, Paris, and Berlin. Internet traffic will triple over the next 5 years, reaching 2 zettabytes by 2019. That traffic will be mostly high-quality video and increasingly will come from wireless connections, according to officials at Cisco Systems. In their annual Visual Networking Index report, which takes a look at internet traffic 5 years down the road, Cisco researchers see more people worldwide using more devices that send more traffic over faster networks. These people will not only consume more video, but increasingly higher quality video. All of this will continue to put significant pressure on service providers and enterprise networks to ensure high levels of service with few disruptions. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.